Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can track YouTube video. So whenever any visitor comes to your website and play any kind of YouTube video, then how to track them. Because if someone visit your website and watch video on your website, that means they are interested in your website or your video. And initially if they become interested on your website, then you can retarget them by Google ads or Facebook ads, and after that it will help you to grow your sales basically. So that's why it will help you to retarget your audience, and in my opinion it helps to create a beautiful retargeting audience. So we will track them by Google Tag Manager. At first, let's see. Here I am in my demo website and I have added a video of mine. So if I play this, you can see in the background it is running. On YouTube. So if I play this video, then it will track and send data to Google Analytics, and we can see the data here. And we can set a custom event from our Google Tag Manager. So at first, let's come to Google Tag Manager, and we have to configure a variable. For that, let's click variables. Now configure. From here, I have to find videos. This is videos. So we can track many things like video provider, let's say in this case YouTube, or video status, video URL, video title, video duration, video current time, everything. So let's open video current now, video duration, now video percent, video title, then video visible, um, video title duration, video duration. So we can get many kind of data, video URL. uh, Currently I am not doing this anyway. So I am taking these three variables: video title, its duration, and watch percent. So okay, now for to activate this, we have to set a trigger. So let's go to triggers, then click new. Now click here and find YouTube video. So by this, we can track YouTube video watch on our website. Click here. So if someone start to watch video, then it will track. Then if someone complete, it will track. Um, or we can also track pause, seeking, and buffering, but I am not doing. I'm just doing these two. We can see track specific progress with person. Okay, let's check progress. So by progress, we can we can track their percentage of visits. Someone just to explain this, if this video is 10 minutes, then someone complete to watch 5 minutes, then we will track the 50% of them. That means 50% video watched by that visitor. So I want to track 20%. That means for this 2 minutes of this video. Okay. Now just leave this as it is. Now click save YouTube video trigger. Name this and click save. Okay. Now we have to um, create a tag to send data to Google Analytics. Click new. First go to text, then click new, then click tag configuration. Click Google Analytics, GA4 event. we have to provide our measurement ID. So let's go to Google Analytics, click admin, then click setup assistant. Now go to website and app data, click manage data streams, click web, now measurement ID, copy this and paste it here. Now event name. So what is the event name? So let's if you should name this to recognize your event. So if you have any specific product and if you want to visit your if you want to track your product page video, then you have to name your product name. So if I want to set this tutorial video. So if someone track my tutorial video, this is my tutorial video, then it will track. Now let's get down. We can send event parameter or user properties, but this is a bit advanced, so I am not showing you right now. I will create another video on this. Click triggering, then click YouTube video trigger, done. And we have to name the event YouTube video tracking dash GA4. Okay, click save. We have done. Now we have to preview this. So to check if it is working or not perfectly, so click preview. Click connect. So visit debug view to check the data is coming or not. Let's at first visit a page. Page view event just arrived. So our data is coming. So I again visit home page and play the video. I just played a video. Let's check. Wait. Now you can see my tutorial video custom event just fired, or just data just arrived in Google Analytics. That means our data is coming perfectly. So as we didn't set any kind of user properties, so I cannot see any type of data. But I will show you in the later videos how to send those, because it is a bit advanced. That's it for now. And here you can see a video start is also set up, because we configured some data, or we configured some variables in Google Tag Manager. That's why it is coming. And here in the tag assistant, we also can see that the YouTube video tracking GA4 trigger just fired, and our, let's see, sorry, this is a tag. This tag just fired, and here we can see our event name also showing tutorial video. So that's it. That's how you can track YouTube video. To watch this kind of more tutorial, please subscribe. I will see you in next videos. Thank you, everyone.